Hello everybody. I'm Masafumi Sendzaki, General Director of Hitachi Construction Machinery Eurasia Manufacturing. Now we have established just our new factory here. We will start our machine from here in this June. So why we choose this factory in Tube is very nice city. So here we have big benefit of the transportation from many components from Japan, and also if we dispatch our machine from here, so our customer is located near here. It means we can reduce transportation cost for customers and from some container from Japan. So and also we are always waiting for some good proposal from potential supplier which are located near in Chubei. So every time our door is open for this potential supplier. Okay, shall we get good future together? Thank you very much. On the second of Chubei Investment Forum, so factory tour to my factory is programmed. So all of our employees, including me, is waiting for your coming.